Good evening. Good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified every time that I post, because you are going to be hearing more from me, motivation, inspirational, and you will be hearing about all of the good things that are going on with me. Again, my name is Terrence Giles. I'm live here in Little Rock, Arkansas. I just wanted to get online just to tell you a little bit about me and all of the goodness that is happening for me with my online business and just personal life. I want to go back into my journey, how I know I wanted to do work at home. I finished junior college in 1998. I had an Associate of Science in Business Administration. And I knew around 99, 2000 that I wanted to do work at home. The very first business that I started was Avon. It came back to my remembrance, Avon, because they sold men products, and it was just a variety, men and women products that you could get others to purchase. And the good thing about that is when I sold Avon, the very first order that I put in from others purchasing from me placed me in the top sellers club, my very first order. And that's when I knew I could do it. But then my mind went back to when I was in high school. I was always the top seller in everything that I did. I just had that hunger. But then I got older, and I'm only 43, and I kind of somewhat didn't think any more about it. So then 2016 came, and that hunger again came for a work at home business, even though I'm still working a regular job. But I have that desire on the inside to do a work at home business and do it full time, because that's something that has been placed on the inside of me. Well, in 2016, I started back doing online business. And the first business, I began searching online and looking at different options. And that first business that I looked at kind of caught my eye. So I began to ask for information, and I reached out to the rep for the information. And first thing I had to do was get set up. And when I tell you that it was almost so hard to get set up, because I was not used to setting up a back office, going through videos. I had to learn all of that information. And let me tell you my struggle. It took me sometime 2 and 3 hours just to make one post online. That's how bad I was struggling with that. But then when I got the hang of it, I got better, and I just became, better than what I was at the beginning. Then here comes, me receiving leads. Then I was having to place calls to leads. I can tell you, I bet you I called 1,000 people, or right at 1,000 monthly. I was placing calls every day, even doing it on my lunch break, just doing it, every day. That's how I was trained. Call leads. Leads are the lifeline of your business. But then I earned, for that 1 year, $400. You heard me right. I earned $400 that 1 year. So then I somewhat lost the joy in working that business, because I was like, I'm calling all of these people day in, day out, spending my hour lunch break calling leads, answering emails, answering questions. And it was almost like I wasn't getting anything out of it. So then I went ahead and put in my notice, and I let my upline know that I would no longer be a part of the program. So then I just kind of set out for a little bit, and then maybe I thought about it, but I said, no, that's not for me. Then 2019 rolled around. I had a desire again to do online business. I went forward. Then I joined a few businesses, made a little money, $25. Took another year, $25. Not very much. But that was $25 that I didn't have that I earned. But then 2020 hit. And this amazing platform that I am doing now came in place for me, and it was presented to me. When the information was presented, I kind of hesitated. I was like, is this really for me? Should I do this? And then that unction in me just said, go forth. Go forth. And I did it. And I'm here to tell you, within the 2 months that I have been doing this business, I have earned $1,450. That is amazing. Something that I did not do in the first work at home business that I tried. I earned $400 that whole year. I earned $400 with this new platform in 1 week. 1 week. Which is amazing to me, because there are many opportunities out there, but joining, going here, going there, is not the route to go. You have to research and do the one that fits you, and that's what I did for myself. And the reason that I joined the platform that I'm on now, because I know that the mentor over me has my best interest at heart. I know that. And I know you're wondering, what platform is he a part of? I'm just going to tell you, SSM, which I'm going to talk a little bit about it in other videos. Remember, SSM, amazing platform. And the reason that I say that it's amazing, we're talking about $80,000 of payouts in 2 months. $80,000 in payouts in 2 months. That is phenomenal. Some businesses online don't even have that in 1 year. Better than 5 or 6 months. SSM, a platform that is getting ready to reach ranks. And I'm excited to be a part of it. Why? Because the platform is good to me. I see it. The platform is blessing others around me, my team members, a family environment, and I am just so excited to be a part of it. Remember SSM. You're going to learn about it. And by the time I explain it to you, you will want to be a part of it. This platform is amazing. It's online, and the thing about the platform, it is newbie friendly, which means you don't have to have any experience, because you will be trained step by step. Again, my name is Terrence Giles. Go ahead and drop your city, state, wherever you're tuning in from. Replay if you missed this. Let me know. I just want to come in and just speak to you and just thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel. Again, subscribe so that you can be notified when I post videos. You're going to be hearing a lot more content from me, and I just wanted to give you a little bit about me, and it's going to be an amazing ride. And I want you to join this journey with me. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. I pray that you have a blessed day and that all is well. Have a good one.